Welcome back to Jesse's Performance, everybody. Today we are going to be showing you this beautiful 68 Eleanor Mustang. Let's go. So, little backstory, this car was originally bought at a Mechum auction for a lot of money. Okay, it needed a few little things that came to us. Well, upon tearing into it, we found a bunch of things that the old builder did wrong while assembling this car. So we couldn't do anything but tear it apart and fix those things. You know, a week's worth of work turned into just over a year's worth of work. But that's how it goes when you buy these crazy, expensive, nice cars. We completely tore all the suspension and drivetrain out of it. We redid the transmission, we redid the rear end, we redid the clutch, we redid all the clutch hydraulics, we redid all the wiring. The wiring was a nightmare. We put a Holley Terminator X on this thing and a smart wire kit. So everything is completely run through the smart wire system, which I love. It's awesome. So originally this thing came to us as a carbureted 427. We took the carburetor off because that's not what we do, and we used this downdraft intake manifold from Speedmaster, individual throttle body setup. It's really nice. It works well with the Holley EFI system, and I mean, it's beautiful. What else can you say about it, right? We also swapped the tank out for a Holley Sniper EFI tank. It has the in-tank 255 pump, -6 A lines, all from Vibrant on this thing. All right, so we switched up a few things in the interior. We added a TMI suede headliner and sun visors, aftermarket TMI dash top to match all the rest of the seats. The seats already had the buttons and stuff in them. We added this custom painted roll bar. We redid this overhead console and wrapped it and added nitrous and volts gauge to that. What else did we do on this thing? We did a full sound system. It's got a Pioneer wireless CarPlay head unit now, backup camera, Focal speakers, JL sub and amp. It parties. It sounds really, really good. It's a well-balanced unit. We added power windows, power locks, automatic headlights, a bunch of gadgetry. This thing's full of all kinds of wiring stuff. It's crazy. And then we did a full NOS nitrous system on this one here. The customer provided it, so we just used what he gave us. We color matched the nitrous bottle. It does have a direct port system with a dual purge kit. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Well, that's a wrap on the Eleanor. Adrian's going to take it home, put some miles on it, get a little checklist for us to tighten some things up. But all in all, pretty good car, pretty solid, and it sounds really good. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more Jesse's Performance craziness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, whatever. And check out jessestore.com for all of our merchandise and part sales.